welcome to 1430 Humboldt. We are in apartment 202 today, so come on in. First thing you'll notice when you come in through the entryway, directly to your right is going to be an all-new kitchen. You do have new black-on-black appliances throughout, as well as resurfaced countertops and newly updated cabinet doors. Throughout your kitchen, entryway and hallway through here, you've got brand new LVT flooring, as well as new carpet coming into your living space. Walk through here with me. You've got great open floor plan here. You can fit entertainment center, couch, sectional. If you have a little kitchenette table, you can set it up over this way. And if not, you do have plenty of space here at your breakfast bar to put a couple of bar stools. And we will continue. Also, in your living space, you have a wood-burning fireplace over here. It's a great accent feature. And we'll come straight through here. Like I said, you have the new LVT flooring throughout your hallway space here into your bath. You have a nice little linen closet or coat closet here for your use. And then you'll flow straight into your bathroom space there. Your tub and tile in there has been fully resurfaced. You've got new vanity space, sink space in there as well. And it is hard to see in this video, but there is another linen closet behind this door here. So lots of storage space. And then you'll come straight through here into your master bedroom. This bed space is large enough to fit a queen size bed as well as extra furniture if you have dressers or nightstands, that sort of thing. You can also fit a king size bed as well. With that being said, you have great closet space in here that you can add extra shelving to if needed. And that's going to be your master suite. So we'll just come right back out this way. And thank you for viewing 202 with me today.